Hi children, how are you all? How are you doing? I hope you are doing well, right? So here by seeing the thumbnail you have idea about that which concept I am teaching. Okay, so already synopsis completed, no, related to that exponents and powers, synopsis completed. So I am going to explain you that the worksheet 1 problems today. Okay, so let us see that the first problem from that worksheet 1. So let us see that the first problem here, that is they given that x is equals to 5 by 3, y is equals to 6 by 10. Okay, so we have to find the value of this expression. So what is that expression here? That is x power 6, y power 6, whole power 100 plus xy. Off is given, so off means nothing but a multiplication. So into 5000 into 5000. This value we need to find out. So first we have to substitute the values of x and y here. So x is equals to 5 by 3 whole power 6. Y is equals to 6 by 10 whole power 6 and whole power 100 plus here x is equals to 5 by 3 and here y is equals to 6 by 10. Okay, into brackets of 5000. Okay, so let us see this one. Here the cancellations are possible, no? 2 5s, 2 3s. Okay, so we can write this one as 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 whole power 6. So shall we write like this one? Okay, so here cancellations possible, no? So 2 3 6, 2 5 10. Okay, so we can write this one as brackets of 5 by 3 into 3 by 5 whole power 6 whole power 100. Shall we write like that? Why? Because this is in the form of a power m into b power m, which is equals to ab whole power m. Okay, by using this law here we are getting like this. So plus here 5 by 3 into, again cancellations, 3 by 5, 2 3s and 2 5s. So 3 by 5 into 5000. So here 5 and 5 gets cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and in the same way 5 5 3 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so here its value is equals to 1 and here it is 1. So we will write this one as brackets of 1 power 6 whole power 100, which means 1 power 600. 1 power 6 whole power 100 is equals to 1 power 600 plus, that is 1 into 5000. Okay, so which is equals to 1 power any value which is equals to 1 only, no? So 1 plus 1 into 5000. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 2 into 5000, which is equals to 10,000. Which is equals to 10,000. So 10,000 how we can write? 1 after how many zeros there? 4 zeros there, no? So we have to write it as 10 to the power of 4. We have to write this one as 10 to the power of 4. So which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct here. Okay, so let us say that the next one. Okay, so let us see that question number 2. So what they given here? P is equals to 2 by 3, Q is equals to 1 by 2, R is equals to 1 by 9. Then we have to find the value of 1 by P into Q whole power 4 into R square. Okay, so this value we need to find out, no? So first substitute that values here, 1 by pq whole power 4 into r square. So substitute that values here. So 1 by, here p is equals to 2 by 3 into q is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, whole power 4 into r is equals to 1 by 9 whole square. Okay, so which is equals to, here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we will write this one as 1 by 3. Okay, whole power 4 into 1 by 9 and here whole square is there, means 9 square. Next thing, here in the denominator we are having that fraction, no, so that one become as a reciprocal, so its value is equals to 3, so 3 power 4 into 1 by, here this one we can write it as, no need to simplify here, just by using that exponents, how to simplify it, just see, 9 we can write it as 3 square whole square, 3 square is 9 and it's a whole square, so we will write this one as 3 power 4 into 1 by 3 square whole square means 3 power 4. Okay, no need to simplify anything. Okay, they given like that. Okay, let us see that. So 3 power 4 and 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 gets cancelled. So its value is equals to 1. But here in that options a direct value not given. So in that options also first we have to simplify that. Okay. So 1 by 81. Here we are getting 1, not 1 by 81. So this is wrong option. Next go for this one. Here this is a 9 ones and 9 nines 81. So that is 1 by 9. So this is also wrong one. Next. Here 9 nines 81, so or else like this also we can write, no, so 9 nines 81, 9 and 9 gets cancelled, so its value is equals to 1. And come to that last one, here this is 9 nines 81, so which option is correct here? Option C is correct. So in that options also they didn't give that a direct option, so in that options also they given like this, so we have to simplify this one, after only go for that answer. Okay, so what is that option here? That is option C, 81 by 9 into 9. 9 9 is 81, so 81 by 81 gets cancelled. So its value is equals to 1. Is it clear? Yes. Let us see that the next one. So next question is, if 4 cube is equals to 2 power 6 is into 8 square, which is equals to 64 power x. Okay, so let us say this, what they given, 4 cube into 2 power 6 into 8 square is equals to 64 power x. Okay, next, second one is 3 power 6 into 9 cube into 27 square is equals to 729 power y. So from this one we have to find the values of x plus y by xy whole cube of 54. So we have to find the values of x and y, no? So here they given like this expression. So first we have to find that the values of x and y. So this one first convert into that anyway by taking that powers of 2, shall we write like that, no? So take that powers of 2. So this one we can write it as 4 cube. So 2 square is 4 cube, 4 cube, clear, into 2 power 6 write as it is, into this is 2 cube is 8, 8 square, which is equals to 64 power x. 64 power x means 8 square, no, so 2 power 6 is equals to 64, so 2 power 6 whole power x, 2 power 6 whole power x. Now simplify it. Now 2 power 2 into 3 is 6 into 2 power 6 into 2 power 3 into 2 is 6, which is equals to 2 power 6 into x is equals to 6x. So here which formula we used, that is a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. Okay, now here this formula we can observe that a power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n form, that is. Okay, so which is equals to 2 power, we have to add that all the exponents, no, here. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equals to 2 power 6x. So here 2 power 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 2 power 18, which is equals to 2 power 6x. So here we can say that as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. As the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. That's why here 18 is equals to 6x. So 6 ones, 6 threes. Therefore, x is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3. So here we got the value of x, no? Now we need to find the value of y here. So write this one as powers of 3 here. So this is 3 power 6 into 9, we can write it as 3 square whole cube into 27 is 3 cube. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 square. So here which is equals to 729. 729 is the power of 27 whole square is equals to 729. Okay, so 27 we written as 3 cube. So 3 cube whole square is equals to 729. So this one we can write it as 3 power 3 to 6, no? Okay, so 3 power 6 value is equals to 729. So we can write this one as 3 power 6 whole power y. Okay, now simplify it. 3 power 6 into 3 power 236, just like this one only, into 3 power 3 to 6, which is equals to 3 power 6 into y is 6y. Okay, now here 3 power 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equals to 3 power 6y. So here 3 power 18 is equals to 3 power 6y. Again, as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. So its exponents 6y is equals to 18. So 6 ones 6 threes. So y is equals to again here 3. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x plus y whole by xy whole cube into 54. Of means that is multiplication only, no? So that's why. So which is equals to x is equals to, we got that the value is equals to 3 and y is also equals to 3, no? So substitute that values here. 3 plus 3 whole by 3 into 3 whole cube into 54. So which is equals to 3 plus 3 is 6 whole by 3 3 is 9 whole cube into 54. Okay, again simplification. Okay, so here 6 by 9 whole cube into 54. So its simplification is 6 cube by, here this one we can write it as a 9 cube means 9 3 times we can write into 54. Okay, so 9 ones and 9 6 54. Clear? So this is equals to 6 cube into 6 whole by 9 square, which is equals to 6 power 4 by 9 square. Actually this is the result, but they given as the powers of 2, no? So let us say that any simplifications there are not. So 6 power 4 we can write it as 2 into 3 whole power 4 whole by, this one we can write it as 3 square whole square, which means 3 power 4. 3 power 4 value is 91, no? So that's why. So which is equals to here, this is 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Why? Because I written here 2 into 3 means 6 we can express as 2 into 3, no? So that's why here 2 into 3 is equals to 6 whole power 4. So now this is in the form of a into b whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m. Okay, in that manner I written this whole by 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 gets cancelled. So its value is equals to 2 power 4. Okay, so what is that correct option here? Yes, option C is correct, that is 2 power 4. Like this way we have to simplify this. Clear? So let us see that fourth question. So let us see that fourth question here. If x, y and z are first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. Okay, what they given here? Given that x, y and z are first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. First 3 consecutive multiples of 1 means 1 into 1 is equals to 1. So here x is equals to 1. Next 1 into 2 is equals to 2. So y is equals to 2. And z is equals to 1 into 3 is equals to 3. So the value of z is equals to 3. Is it clear? So we are having that x, y, z first 3 consecutive multiples of 1. 1 1's 1, 1 2's 2, 1 3's 3. Okay. Now simplify that given thing. What they given? Minus 1 power x plus minus 1 power y. Okay. Into plus 10,000 plus minus 1 power z plus minus 1 power y. So which is equals to, this value we need to find out. So minus 1 power x is equals to 1, so that is 1, plus minus 1 power y is equals to 2. So square brackets plus 10,000 plus minus 1 power z is equals to 3 plus minus 1 power y is equals to 2. Okay, so which is equals to minus 1 power 1 is a minus 1 and here minus 1 whole square is a plus 1. Okay, into this is 10,000 plus of minus 1 whole cube is always equals to minus 1. No, why? Because minus 1 power odd is there, means again we will get that one as a negative value, plus minus 1 whole square is a plus 1. So which is equals to plus 1, minus 1 gets cancelled. Okay, next here this is 10,000 plus into minus is a minus 1 and here plus 1. Okay, so here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so its value is equals to 10,000. Okay, what they given here? Yes, option C is correct here. Okay, again no need to simplify that. 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999 plus 1. Again no need to do like that. So here 10,000 plus of minus is a minus 1 and here plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So that's why here we are getting the value as 10,000. Okay, so which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct. So children, in this video we discuss the problems from 1 to 4. In that next video we will discuss the problems from 5 onwards. Okay.